Hello, and welcome back to Burdu.id channel. In the previous video, we covered how to set up Facebook Pixel, connect it to Burdu, and test it using the Meta Pixel Helper extension. In this video, we'll guide you through how to test Facebook Pixel events without using the Meta Pixel Helper. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to the Burdu channel. Don't forget to hit the like button below and turn on the notification bell as well. First, we need to install the Pixel on our website. From your Burdu website dashboard, go to the Layout section. You can add the Pixel either to the homepage or a custom page. To add the Pixel, we need to create a new section, then search for the FB Pixel event. Here, you can choose whether the Pixel should track events once the page finishes loading or immediately. For the Pixel event, there are several options available. For example, let's choose Page View, which tracks every time the web page is loaded or visited by users. Next, select the Pixel ID that you've already created. If you haven't created or linked your Pixel yet, you can check the tutorial in the description below. Once done, click Done, then Save. Next, open your Facebook Business Manager account. Ensure that you're using the correct account for testing. Hover over All menu and select Event Manager. Choose the Pixel you want to test from the Data Source section. Make sure that the Pixel ID matches the one you've entered on Burdu. Now, go to Test Events. Scroll down to the Website Confirmation section. Enter your website URL here and click Open Website. Now that the website has opened, return to the Test Events settings. If the test was successful, you'll see a new event like this one labeled Page View. The status is marked as processed, which means the event was successfully recorded and the Pixel is working properly. It's not just page views. We can also track other actions, like button clicks. Let's say we want to track the Get Discount button click. Here's how. Go back to the Layout settings and navigate to the Button section. To save time, we'll use the Magic Wand feature. In the Facebook Pixel section, choose the Pixel event you want, like Lead, and select your Pixel ID. Click Done and Save. Now, return to the Test Event settings. Let's clear the current activity. Re-enter your website in the Confirmation section and click Open Website. The site will load again, so let's click on the Get the Discount button. The sign-up form should appear. Now, back in the Pixel Test Event settings, you'll see a new event labeled Lead, and the status is Processed. And that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Like this video, drop a comment, and subscribe to Burdu.id channel for more tutorial videos. Also, don't forget to follow us on social media for more exciting content. See you next time!